Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video. So we may already know about the new features in iOS 18 when you can do all the maths calculation from your notes itself. You can just type and just put a is equal to, it will identify this as maths problem, and you can do it by handwriting as well. So it's not just limited to the inbuilt notes app, Apple Notes app. You can do that same thing in Google Keep as well. So if you go to Google Keep and type something like 2 and give a is equal to, it will give an answer. Just tap once and answer would be taken, that is 4. You cannot do with handwriting over here, but with the text you can do the calculation. And again, this is not limited to Google Notes as well. If you go to Instagram and if you want to do some calculation in the comments, just type 2 is equal to, it will give an answer. Just tap twice maybe here and the suggested answer will be taken, and it is applicable in Facebook comments and other places as well. So hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.